You're watching AutoMind's review, where we break down the hottest cars with zero fluff. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a drive. 2025 Jeep Wrangler. Detailed features breakdown. What's new in 2025? Power windows and locks are now standard on all trims, a long-awaited upgrade for convenience. Cars.com. Arab GT. Active cabin ventilation lets you remotely cool or air out the cabin via the Jeep app. Cars.com. Motor Vero. A special Willis 41 edition honors Jeep's World War II heritage with olive drab styling, period decals, and heritage interior touches. Available on the 4xe Hybrid. MySA. +1. Powertrains and performance. 3.6 LV6, 285 horsepower, 260 lb-ft. Available with either a 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic. Hot Rod. Cars Direct. 2.0 L Turbo i4, 270 horsepower, 295 lb-ft. Automatic only. Arab GT. Cars Direct. 4xe Plug-in Hybrid, 375 horsepower, 470 lb-ft. Combines turbocharged gas engine and electric motors. Offers approximate 21 to 22 miles of electric range and around 49 mpg. Cars Direct. Hot Rod. MySA. Cooksville Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram. 6.4 LV8 in Wrangler 392 Final Edition. 470 horsepower. Packs serious performance with a 0 to 60 miles per hour under 4.5 seconds in select trims. Arab GT. Road and Track. Hot Rod. Cars Direct. Off-road prowess. Built on a body-on-frame chassis with solid axles, 5-link suspension, and optional full-float Dana rear axle. No cash. Excellent ground clearance, approach/departure angles, plus modular roof/door options like the Sky One-Touch Power Top. No cash. Trim-specific off-road systems like RockTrack 4x4, electronic sway bar disconnect, and heavy-duty axles are available. Jim Brown Dade City. Tech and interior features. 12.3 Uconnect 5 touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OTA updates, and off-road trail maps. Cars.com. Motor Vero. Wikipedia. Optional 7 digital instrument cluster, customizable for performance, navigation, or safety alerts. Jim Brown Dade City. Comfortable cabin enhancements. Leather front seats, heated steering wheel/seats, Alpine, or other premium audio systems. Jim Brown Dade City. Patriot Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Tulsa. Interior improvements include soft touch. If you enjoyed this review, give it a like. It really helps the channel. And if you're new here, welcome to the AutoMind's review family. Subscribe now because next week, we're jumping into a 905 horsepower electric Grand Tourer that might just dethrone Porsche. You don't want to miss that one. Your name, and I'll see you in the next drive.